Karma has a sport mode? No way. Karma has a sport mode. Let's go ahead and put this guy in a sport mode. Wow. Woo! Karma in a sport mode. Look at this guy. Woo! Damn, that's fast. Wow. Sport mode in the wind. Woo! It's a big bird. Wow, look at it. Woo! Look at that. Speed. Yeah. Karma. Woo! Drift. Experts. Look at these guys. Not bad. Look at that. Woo! It's quiet, man. So it's not bad. Right now is the wind. Going speed. Going full speed, going upwind with the wind. Wow, it's a smooth flyer. Again. How you doing? Woo! Look at that thing drift. It's drifting. Woo! Wow, amazing. Going around with it, playing around with the sticks. Smooth flyer. So they fixed the issue. Pretty cool, huh? Woo! I mean, this thing is so easy to fly. Look at that.
Karma's battery is low. Land soon.
Land soon, buddy. Land soon. Again, it's a big bird. Just playing with the Karma. Woohoo! So you can see my controller, I'm just playing with it crazy.
Ascending to a safe height soon.
Nice!
Karma's battery is very low.
Alright, Karma battery is really low. And then I'm gonna go return to me. Look at that, guys. And then you can just grab them like this. And it's off. See that?
Karma's battery is too low for takeoff.
We know that.
Compass interference. Karma's battery is too low for takeoff.
Wow. Anyways, thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yes, Karma did it again.